All right, good day, everyone. My name is Mr. Ori Molade, but people call me Mr. Matt, so you can call me Mr. Matt anytime. All right, the lesson I have for you today is titled Differentiation. Differentiation. We want to look at the general rules of differentiation. Now, the general rule of differentiation is the process of finding gradient of a curve at any unknown point. And the gradient of function, the gradient of that function is the what? Is the derivatives. Now, what do you mean by, let's look at the general rule of that differentiation. For example, if y equals to a x raised to power n, then we have the y, the x will be a multiplied by this, multiplied by the power will come down where we have n, right? X raised to power n minus 1. Therefore, the y, the x will be a an x raised to power n minus 1. So, where this is the derivative of this, why this, the y dx, the value of the y dx is the derivative of what? Derivative of this. Alright, let's look at a few examples on how to apply this general rule. Alright, let's look at this first example. If y equals to 2x squared, find the y, the x. Don't forget, I said the derivative of the y, the x will be what? Alright, now if y equals 2x squared, find the y, the x. Therefore, the power of x squared will be 2 multiplied by 2, all right, multiplied by this x raised to power 2 minus 1. Don't forget to put the y, the x. So the y, the x, will be 2 multiplied by 2. You have 4 x raised to power 1. The same thing as this. It is very, very simple. What do we do? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by what? X. 2 minus 1. 2 times 2, 4, x raised to power this. Now let's look at another example. You can see that mathematics is very, very simple. All right, let's look at this second example. Find the derivative of x cubed. Find the derivative of x cubed. Now, to find the derivative of x cubed, therefore it will be the y, the x of x cubed should be 3 multiplied by x, 3 minus 1. Therefore, the y, the x equals to 3x raised to power 2. You can see that it is very, very simple. Just apply the general rule, you'll get it. Mathematics is very simple and sweet as bread and tea. Now let's look at another example. All right, now let's look at example 3. If y equals to 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5, find the y, the x. Now how do we do this? We apply the same method. Now let's look at this. Y equals to 3x cubed plus 8x plus 5. Now to find the y, the x, we are differentiating with respect to what? With respect to x. Therefore, you have the 3, which is a coefficient. No, the 3 power 3 to be 3 times 3, right? Times the x raised to power 3 minus 1 plus the 8, the power of x, which is 2, multiplied by 2 times x. So you leave the 5. You are not dealing with the 5 because the 5 does not have the variable, which is x. So we leave it as this and we solve it out, where you have the y, the x, equals to 3 times 3, you have 9x, 3 minus 1, you have 2, plus 8 times 2, you have what? 16x. That's your final answer. So you differentiated with respect of what? Respect to x. So you are dealing with x. Whatever you say x, you differentiate. So it is very, 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 very simple. So I'll give you a few questions so that you try it at home. You practice it on your own at home. So let me. All right. You can try this at home. So you practice it with we follow the example given to you on the board. All right. Thank you very much. See you next time. God bless you. I remain Mr. Mathematics. Thank you. God bless you.